What's up guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tahir Omari and here we talk men's style, confidence and how to look sharp without draining your bank account. Today we're talking about something every guy wants to know. How do you make cheap clothes look expensive? Because let's be real, not everyone wants to drop $300 on a hoodie or $800 on a coat. And the good news, you don't need to. Looking expensive is more about perception than price tag. So I'm giving you the styling secrets to fake the luxury look on a budget. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Avoid over-branding. One of the fastest way to look like you are trying too hard is by wearing logos all over the place. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with repping a brand, but too many flashy logos just scream, "Look at me," instead of "I've got style." Luxury style is more subtle. It's about silhouettes, textures and confidence, not name dropping every brand on your body. So if you are wearing budget pieces, skip the fake designer prints. Opt for clean, logo-free fits. And that's how you fake understated elegance. Step 2. Stick to timeless colors. Flashy prints and loud colors can work if you know how to balance them. But the easiest way to look expensive is by sticking to a minimal color palette. Here's the cheat code: black, white, navy, olive, beige, charcoal gray. These colors look intentional. They mix well, layer easily, and most importantly, they never go out of style. That's why you will always see high-end brands drop collections in simple, timeless tones. Because they work. No trend chasing required. Step 3. Upgrade your footwear. Here's a harsh truth. People judge you by your shoes. You could have a solid outfit, but if you're wearing beat-up sneakers with frayed laces and dirty soles, it drags the whole thing down. The good news is you don't need designer shoes. You just need clean, sharp ones. Here's what I recommend. Minimalist white sneakers, sneakers from common projects, Massimo Dutti or Mango are great budget options out there. You definitely need Chelsea boots in suede or leather. And of course, loafers for a dressy, casual vibe. Also, keep them clean. Wipe them down. Use a suede brush. Replace the laces when they look tired. That alone takes your outfit from okay to "he gets it." Number 4. Master layering. Layering isn't just about staying warm, it's a style tool. When done right, layering makes your outfit look way more thought out and luxurious. You can try this: a plain white tee under an overshirt, a turtleneck under a jacket, and a hoodie under a wool coat. The key here is to combine textures and tones without making it look bulky. And honestly, you don't ever need fancy brands. Just pair your pieces with intention. Stack neutrals, mix textures, and you will look like you walked out of a lookbook. Also, layering gives depth, and depth is visual richness, which people associate with, money. Step 5. Add one elevated piece. Here's a simple trick and what I love to do almost all the time with every outfit. Adding one piece that feels premium. It could be a nice leather belt, a sleek watch like mine from Tissot, and by the way, you can find the link to the watch I'm wearing right now, and to 9 more essential items to upgrade your wardrobe immediately in the video description down below. Another elevated piece is a structured wool coat, a high quality scarf, or just simple, clean, minimal sunglasses. This one element becomes the anchor to the whole outfit. It pulls focus and makes everything else you are wearing look more put together, even if it costs half as much. You don't need need a full designer fit. Just one well-chosen piece that carries the energy of the entire look. Step 6. Fabric matters more than you think. Most people ignore fabric, but it's one of the clearest giveaways of quality. Even on a budget, you can find pieces that feel rich. Look for cotton with a bit of weight to it, wool blends that don't itch or pill, linen in summer for that breezy elegance, denim that holds its shape and fades well. Avoid anything that looks too shiny, too stretchy, or pills after 2 washes. Those are the dead giveaways. Touch your clothes, feel the material. If it feels like it's made for a throwaway outfit, it probably is. But if it feels solid, smooth, and structured, that's the move. Step 7. Keep everything groomed. This might surprise you, but your grooming plays a huge role in how expensive your outfit looks. Think about it. You could be wearing a perfectly styled fit, but if your hair looks wild or your nails are dirty, it instantly kills the luxury vibe. So make sure your beard or facial hair is lined up. Your haircut is fresh, or at least not weeks overdue. Your nails are trimmed. Your skin looks taken care of. You don't have to be a skincare guru. Just moisturize and don't walk around looking dry and flaky. That's it. Clean grooming means refined style, means expensive energy. Step 8. Iron and steam everything. Wrinkles are the enemy. You could have the best outfit in the world, but if it's full of creases, you will look lazy. So take 5 minutes before you head out and steam your shirt, iron your pants, or flatten your collar. It makes a ridiculous difference. Also, hang your clothes properly. Don't just throw stuff on the chair or let it crumple in a pile. You want your wardrobe to stay crisp, not crushed. Number 9. Prioritize structure and clean lines. One of the quickest way to elevate your look is to go for clothing that holds its shape. Think about sharp collars, crisp sleeves, structured shoulders, and clean pant silhouettes. Cheap clothes often look cheap because they are floppy, wrinkly, or have no definition. So when you shop, feel the fabric. Is it flimsy or does it hold some form? A $40 jacket that has clean edges and structure will always look better than a saggy $200 one. Also, steer clear of clothes that look like they have been washed 100 times before you even bought them. Go for crispness. That's what gives off that luxury vibe. Step 10. Confidence sells the look. And finally, how you wear your outfit matters more than the outfit itself. You could be wearing something from Zara or Uniqlo, but if you move like you own the room, that energy translates. Walk tall, chin up, shoulders relaxed. Be comfortable in your own skin, because real style isn't just about fabrics and fits. It's about owning your presence. Confidence makes everything look better, including your budget fits. So yeah, making cheap clothes look expensive is totally doable. It's about smart choices, subtle styling, and intentional details. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff style advice. And let me know in the comments, what's your go-to move for leveling up a basic outfit? Thanks for watching. My name is Umari. I wish you all the best. Until next time, peace.